Welcome to our channel Guides to Everything. As the White Bunny family, we have exciting news. You now have a chance to win a Tesla Model Y in our White Bunny game. All you need to do is play the game to collect carrots and earn your draw tickets. By collecting more carrots every day, you can increase your chances. Remember, each carrot brings you closer to winning. The White Bunny NFT collection offers its users a new experience in the crypto world by offering unique digital artworks on the Solana blockchain. Each NFT is specially designed for art lovers and collectors. Join the White Bunny community and share your digital art with a wide audience. White Bunny WBNY is a meme coin which is created to bring fun to the crypto world. With its rabbit and carrot themed concept, it allows you not only to invest but also to have fun. By playing our Telegram game and collecting carrots, you will be rewarded with airdrops. Experience the fun in your crypto journey with WBNY. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and claim your Tesla car and token reward on the link in the description.